Since sharing the clip on the main channel about unfolding your props and how important it is, I used the Mavic 2 Pro in that example. So many of you have asked about the Mavic Mini, which is there. Well, I did the same test with the Mavic Mini, and luckily the Mavic Mini doesn't suffer so much, largely because the props are much looser, the blades are looser on that drone. However, you should still unfold them as much as you can before starting it up. But anyway, here's a little treat. Here's the Mavic Mini in slow motion for you guys to enjoy. As you can quite clearly see, it's not as erratic, not as aggressive or potentially damaging long term as it is on the Mavic 2 Pro. And that's because the blades are loose on the Mavic Mini, whereas they're not on most of the other DJI drones. Click the link in the video description below if you do want to see more about the explanation. Plus, you really want to see the slow motion footage of the Mavic 2 Pro, because I think you might be very, very surprised. Thanks for watching, guys. Anyway, hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, comment below as well. Give it a thumbs down if you're a floppy prop. Cheers, guys.